Good morning, children. This is a revision class for PA2 exams. So, today in this class, we are learning the textual bits of two lessons, that is, 7th and 8th lesson. So, the first bit is write T for true and F for false. A. We get food only from animals. No. That is false. We get food from plants and animals. First one, false. B. We should have food items from the three main groups every day. True. As we should have the food items from the three main groups. C. Jam and rice are protective foods. False. They are not protective foods. D. Vegetables and fruits are energy giving foods. No, that is false. E. Meat, pulses and eggs are body building foods as they help in building our body. So they are known as body building foods. True. Now coming to the second bit. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words. A. There are dash main groups of the food. The options are 3 or 6. The answer is 3. THREE 3. B. Chapati is made from dash. Wheat flour, fruit flour. It is made from C. Energy giving food help us to dash. The options are sleep or work and play. The energy giving food help us to work and play. WORK work, AND and PLAY play. Work and play. D. We should chew dash well. Options are food, water. We should chew food well. FOOD food. E. We should visit the dash regularly to keep our teeth healthy. Options are dentist, temple. The answer is dentist. 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 Textual bits of lesson number 8. Match the columns. First one, A is rainy season. What do we do in rainy season? We carry an umbrella. Summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Houseboat. What is a houseboat among these? C. C1 is a houseboat. D. Sloping roof. How a sloping roof could be? Here you can see sloping roof. It is useful mostly at the times of rainy season. So the water flows directly onto the ground. Winter season. What do we wear? We wear shawls or sweaters in winter season. Read the clues and reorder the letters correctly. So what we need to do? We have to reorder. We should adjust the words, letters clearly to make it a new correct word. A. Made of snow. OOLIG. What is this which we have learned in a Zoom class? It is an igloo. 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 B. Made of canvas. ETNT. It is tent. 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 C. Used in the rainy season. What we use in the rainy season? The letters are TACOAINR. Raincoat. RAIN rain. COAT coat. Raincoat. D. A movable house. AVARCNA, that is a caravan. CARAVAN, caravan. E. Used for building a house. RKBISC, bricks. BRICKS, bricks. Third bit, select the correct options. A. A house made of mud and straw. First one, Pakka house. 2. Second one, caravan. 3. Kacha house. The answer is Kacha house. KUTCHA, Kacha. HOUSE, house. Kacha house. B. Tents are made up of. First one, canvas. Second one, bricks. Third one, cement. The answer is canvas. CANVAS, canvas. C. Eskimos live in. Options are: first one, igloos. Second one, tree houses. Third one, stilt houses. The answer is igloos. IGLOOS, igloos. D. A sloping roof helps this to slide off. First one, birds. B. Second, snow. And the third one is soil. Answer is snow. SNOW, snow. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.